Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and what I want to do is discuss Impact Mailing Club. But not only that, I want to show you proof that this program works, and then not only that, introduce all of the new members that joined. So I'm going to talk to you while I open up the envelopes that I received from people that joined this opportunity. This is a member-to-member opportunity, which means that people who join this opportunity, you get paid directly from them. And I love that because you cut out the middleman. And with direct mail marketing, you actually receive envelopes in the mail that has cash in it, or money orders, or whatever it is, depending on the program you're in. But with this program, we get cash deposits, and it's a way to earn a full-time income from home. So Impact Mailing Club, which is a site behind me that you're looking at, is this is the website which does the selling and telling for you. It explains how the program works and what you will be doing in order to earn a full-time income. So I'm going to open up these packages, and I'm going to discuss Impact Mailing Club and how it can allow you to start working from home full-time by just collecting payments, okay, and giving people an opportunity to earn. As a member of Impact Mailing Club, you receive the reseller rights, a reseller's license that allows you to promote this opportunity to other people who may be interested in a business opportunity, and you are selling leads to these people that may be interested. Now with leads, I want to say thank you to Donna. Donna joined, and I received $20 and 1 book of stamps. So with leads, these leads are people who may be interested in a home-based business opportunity, and they're looking for more information. Some may join, others may not. But what we're looking to do is produce a full-time income by having some people join your opportunity, and you get paid for it. And we send these leads out in the mail, along with information about the opportunity. So in the description below, you'll see what that form looks like that people are receiving, and how they can actually join the opportunity by just filling out a one-page simple form that looks like this, okay? So I have another payment that came in from Terry. Terry, I want to say welcome. This person came in at the Ruby level, and I received a $50 payment and 2 books of stamps. Okay, so I've been doing direct mail marketing since 2016, and it has helped me to produce a full-time income. I started on offline marketing because online marketing was difficult for me, and I was not earning consistently with online marketing. So I decided to take a look at offline marketing, and it has changed my life. I had my first $5,000 day last week, Friday, where I made $5,000 in profit through Impact Mailing Club. And now I'm opening up these payments that I received today, which is Tuesday. Okay, so here we have another person that came in. Their name is Robert. Robert, I received your payment. Thanks so much for joining. And he came in at the lowest level. I earned a $20 payout and 1 book of stamps. And these actually start adding up over time. The more you mail or the more you promote, the bigger the payments get, the more money you make. So I have another payment here. I am opening them as I go. This payment came from Kylie. Kylie came in at the Sapphire level, and I received a total of $100 and 1 book of stamps. Okay, I think it's supposed to be 2. Let me see, make sure I didn't drop anything. Okay, so I'm going to open these and then talk about the program. So what I noticed with this opportunity is that they have good quality leads. People are actually reaching out and joining the opportunity or getting more information based off of the leads that they're receiving from the company. So that's a plus. And we have a Facebook group. They have a community of people that are in the group that provide and give out information every single day about the opportunity. So it's a very active group, and the community is very supportive. And I love that too about this opportunity. So I have Kahia who joined. Kahia, I received your payment. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. If I'm not, I apologize. So Kalia came in at the Sapphire level, and I received a total of $300. $300, and also 2 books of stamps. And she sent me a calendar. Very nice. Thank you so much. With Impact Mailing Club, you're going to receive a welcome kit. And in that welcome kit is going to have some information about the company, how it works, what to expect, how to promote. It's going to have your leads on peel and stick labels, your cover letter, and also your PDF form for people to sign up with you. I have another payment here from Christy. Christy, thanks so much for joining. Here is the $20, 1 book of stamps. Okay, and then they also are going to send you your PDF to promote through email as well. So you receive an email from them, and they have some great stuff coming up in about a week. I'm not going to share it now, but we will go over it. But in a week, guys, we're about to blow this thing up. In 1 week, we have a lot of great things that's going to be happening within a week. And I will be doing a video based off of that information as well. So, hey, Ma, give me 5 minutes, all right? I'm in the video. Oh, it's right here in this bag. So I have another payment that came in here from Millie. Millie, I received your payment. Millie came in at the Emerald level, and I received a total of $65 and 1 book of stamps. Millie, thanks so much for joining. Please, if you sent in a payment, make sure to send me an email or a message on Facebook so I can start your cover letter, your customized cover letter, which I do for all of my teammates. And you can also get information about how to get your website for your cover letter. Because even though people receive stuff in the mail, people always go online to get more information about an opportunity. I don't care what the opportunity is. And if they get something in the mail and they're interested, they are going to go online to get information. So you need to have a website when you are promoting any opportunity, because a postcard or a flyer may not be enough. Lamone, I received your payment. Here's Lamone. I received your payment. Here's the 2 books of stamps that came in. And we have in here a total of 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, $150 from Lamone. So she came in at the Ruby level. Thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay. Then we have another payment here from Cecile. Cecile, I have your payment. Cecile, make sure to send me an email. For your cover letter, when you join, I would need your bio, which is a short, just some information about yourself. Okay, your full name, phone number, your domain name for your website. Okay, in a picture. So you can email that to me, and my email is in the description below. Okay, so Cecile came in at the $150 level, which is the Ruby level, and I received a payment and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much for joining, Cecile. Glad to have you a part of the team. Please make sure to send me your information. Okay, guys, if you want to see what the website looks like, that information is also in the description below. So the website information is below as well. So Sierra sent the payment in. And Sierra came in at the, not right now. Sierra came in at the Emerald level, which is a total of $65. So here's the payment. Sierra, glad to have you a part of the team, and 1 book of stamps. Then we have Vince. Opening them up. Guys, also some of these payments are different levels or different amounts because this is not from my efforts alone. Also, my teammates have people that are joining as well. So some of these payments is from the efforts of people that are a part of my team. So Vince came in at the Emerald level, which is a total of $65. Here's a payment and 1 book of stamps. And guys, what I love about this program too is that you get the stamps, which reduce your cost in stamps, because stamps is the most expensive part of this entire process. So if you could get payments and get stamps, it will drastically reduce what you have to spend on stamps. And that also helps a lot as well. So this person came in at this came from someone else, a part of my team. And I received $50 at the Ruby level and a total of 2 books of stamps. Ashley, thanks so much for joining. I'm glad to have you a part of the team. Make sure to reach out to me if you need a website or if you need a cover letter. I'll make sure to get that done for you. Okay. So we have another payment. This came in from Elite Affiliate Group. Okay. So this person came in at the Sapphire level and I received a $100 payment and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. Then we have Angela. Angela, I received your payment. Some people ask, do you have to have a P.O. box? No. I recommend it if your box at home is open. It only costs about $65, $50 for the year. I highly recommend it. So here we have Angela that joined and came in at the Ruby level. That's a total of $50 and 2 books of stamps. Okay, then we have here Tina. And Tina came in at the Sapphire level. Okay. Here's the information she sent in. That's what's going to come. A form is going to come with each payment. And I tell people to hold on to that for tax purposes. Got to pay your taxes, guys. And here's the payment. $300 and 2 books of stamps. 300, 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. Then we have Misty. Misty, I received your payment. Came in an envelope to me. Misty came in at the Ruby level, which is a $50 payment. This came from someone that signed up with a team member of mine. 2 books of stamps. Ruby, glad to have you a part of the team. We have another payment here from this payment came from Robin. Robin, I received your payment. Robin came in at the Sapphire level, $100, 2 books of stamps. This came from someone else. One of my teams made a sale and I received that commission. Glad to have you a part of the team. And last but not least, Donna. Don, I received your payment. Please make sure to reach out to me. She put it in another envelope. We're going to open this up. Let's see what we have. You also have a webinar tomorrow. Guys, if you can't make the webinar, it will be here on my YouTube channel where you can get information about the webinar and actually take a look at what we discussed and who was there. Okay. Webinar tomorrow. Try not to rip everything apart. Okay. This person came in at the Ruby level, signed up with someone else, a part of my team. Name is Donna. I received a $50 payment, and here is 3 books of stamps. Oh, 4 books of stamps. It should have been 2, but they must have made a mistake. And $50. Okay. So I want to say thank you. Well, actually, it is 2 books of stamps. So I want to say thank you so much for all of the new teammates. Make sure to get with your sponsor or whoever you join so that you are set up for success. That's very important. The person that signed you up, you should be looking for a cover letter, a website, what you need to do to be successful, and how to get started with direct mail marketing. So I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's probably long, but hopefully you tuned in for the entire video. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Information for this program will be in the description below, and have a great night.